Namaskar children. So today again I am here to explain you a new grammar topic. Okay, that is articles. So today we'll learn the use of articles a and an. So before that, I want to tell you we have 26 alphabet. है ना? In English we have 26 alphabet. And as you already know that among these 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we can remember with our 5 fingers. We have 5 fingers in our hand and we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So all these vowels have different sounds and the rest 21 alphabets are consonants. Okay. And by these consonants and vowel sounds, with the help of these consonant and vowel sounds, we put the articles a and an in a sentence. So let's learn these with the help of some pictures. So as I already told you, we have 26 alphabets A to Z, that are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and so on. So A to Z, we have 26 alphabets. And among these 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now, as you can see, there are two clouds here in the picture. There is a big cloud and a small cloud. No? In big cloud, we have all the consonants. And in a small cloud, we have all the vowels. So we have 21 consonants. Suppose we start from A to Z. है ना? Then we will find A. A is a vowel. So we'll write that in that small cloud. And then we have B, C, D. B, C, D are consonants. So we'll write down them in consonant cloud. Okay, that are written with red color in consonant cloud. Then we have E. After D, E. So E is a vowel. So we have written vowel in vowel cloud. Then after that we have F, G, H. F, G, H are consonant. So we have written in consonant cloud. Then we have I. I is a vowel. So we have written in vowel cloud. Then J, K, L, M, N are consonants. So they are written in consonant cloud. Then after and what comes? That is O and O. So O is a vowel. And after that, P, Q, R, S, T are consonants. And after T, we write down U. So U is a vowel. So we have written in the small cloud A, E, I, O, U. And then V, W, X, Y, Z are consonants. So in this way, we have 21 consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now, here we have some words CAT cat, HEN hen, KID kit, OWL out, GLUE glue. So in all these words, we have vowels as well as consonants. So without vowels, we cannot form spellings. We cannot form words, and without consonants also. Okay. So CAT cat, here we have A vowel. So all the letters written in red color are vowels like A, E, I, O, U, E. Okay. all the letters that are written in red color are vowels and rest are consonants. So in this way, vowels and consonants, they help us to make words, spellings. Okay. Now, we have some this words here, C dash R. Okay. So which vowel will come here? C A R, car. Okay. Which vowel will come? C A R, car. So with the help of vowel A, will make this spelling car. Then next, with the help of I, vowel I will make this spelling ice, I-C-E, ice. Okay. Then third one is L dash M B. Now we have consonants here, L M B. Now we'll put L A M B, lamb. So vowel A will be put here. We'll put vowel A here. Then P E M, pen. And then B U S, bus. U will come. Then B O X, box. Okay. So this way we put vowels and we make words, spellings. Now, when we'll learn about this articles, so we should always remember that whenever we will have a consonant sound in a word, whenever we'll have the starting sound, a consonant, then we'll always put a. Okay. So we should see B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. So whenever we'll have a starting sound, a consonant sound, there we'll put a. Let's see some examples. Now here we have cow, C-O-W, cow. So in this word we have C. C is k. Okay, cow, C. So that is a consonant sound, k sound. So we'll put a cow. And next spelling B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle. So here we have consonant b, B. The starting sound is B, b, consonant. So a beetle. Then we have deer, D-E-E-R, deer. So we have the initial sound d. So D. D is there, d sound. So a deer. Then we have pearl, P-E-A-R-L, pearl. Okay. So here we'll put a because P is a consonant, first sound. Okay. So in all these words we have consonant sound. The starting sound is consonant. So everywhere we'll put a. We won't put an. Now, where we'll put an? We'll put an wherever we will have the vowel sound. The starting sound, the initial sound will a vowel. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. So we already learned about the sounds of all these vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So wherever the starting sound will have the vowel sound, we'll put N. Now let's see an example. Here we have apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So here we'll put an apple. Why we put an apple here? Because a is a starting sound is a, apple, a. So a is a vowel sound. So we'll put an apple. Next is elephant. So here we will put an elephant. We won't put a elephant because here the starting sound is vowel sound. Then an ice cream. Here again we have I that is a vowel sound, I. Okay. The starting sound is I. So we'll put an ice cream. And last is otter. Okay. So here we'll put an otter. O. O is a vowel. O sound. Otter. O sound. So that is a vowel sound. So wherever we will have the starting sound, vowel sound, there we'll put an, and wherever we'll have the consonant sound, so there we'll put a. So in this way, we'll put the articles a and an. So I hope this is clear to you. Okay. So wherever you will have a consonant sound, you will put the article a. And wherever you'll have a vowel sound, you'll put the article an. So this way, the sounds help us to put articles. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Keep learning, keep smiling.